Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Archana. Today I just want to show you how this folio works, and along with these two things which are included in my Christmas blessing kit, which is already listed on my website. Please check it out and get your kit before it's sold out. It's getting sell really good. So I would like to show you how they works and how they look once you put all these things together. So this is the 49 and Market foundation memory keeper called Folio, and this is just the cover of your folio. It is not like actual album which has pages and flaps and pockets. It is just a sturdy, very nice quality album, and we need to create inside pages and pockets using these two things. So I will show you what are these. These are also 49 and Market foundation landscape pockets. So it has a pockets only, so you will get 4 pockets in this, 2 half pockets and 2 full enclosures. So 2 pockets are half pockets. I'll show you how they look. These are like this, and the full pocket has a flap here, like you can close that. So I don't have that right now, but I'll show you actual album I have created. So I'll show you how it looks. The other thing is envelope gated folio, flip folio. So it has a flip flaps. So it has also 2 sets of magnets. The 4 magnets created 2 sets of magnets, and it has these you can say the spine kind of thing here. So you can adhere your flaps and flip pages. So I'll show you how it works. So I have created one basic bare album which I haven't decorated yet. So this album opens like this. It has a magnetic closure here, you can see, and it is very sturdy. You can even listen the sound. So you can open this folio like this, and there are plenty of space for pictures and journaling. And this, you can see all these pages. So first of all I will show you how that flip flap folio looks. So I have used that folio right here. So it opens like this, and I have used magnets here. So it opens like this, and then it goes like this. See, so you will get all these 6 pages to decorate back and forth. So you can see first, second, third, and then back. So I didn't stick this page to the basic page. So what I did, I have used that spine here and used right here. So I have created another flap here. So I will get this whole page for decoration and put my pictures here. So it closes like that, and also I got all these pages, and these pages has a 1/4 inch of gap, so you can easily use your embellishments and chipboards and flowers, whatnot. And then some of the flaps I have used on this side from the same folio kit. So you can see this flap opens like that. You can use upper side, however you want. It's a really versatile kit, so you can use as per your choice. And this opens like that, and then I have created one flap like this. So you can see this spine here which I have used. And then here I have used some of the flaps and pockets. So one of these flap comes with the folio kit, but I wanted 2 flaps, so I have created 1 flap by myself using black paper. So I can create this nice closure here. So this opens like this opens like that. Lots of space for your pictures. Then close like this, and it opens like this, and there is a pocket. So I have used one of the larger pocket which has this enclosure, and what I have done, this enclosure I have used adhesive behind, and I have just stick it on here so it can close like this. And then again I have created one more page here using that hinge here, you can see, and this close like this, so like this, very easy. And then next page I have used one of the flaps from the folio, you can see this flap has this hinge already, so this opens like this, and then again and again this whole thing opens like that, and again same thing I have done. This flap I have just adhere here, and this pocket is right here. So when you can see these two pockets I have used here, so they look like our old vintage type mailbox, right, which we used to have in our houses on our walls, so you can put envelopes here. So that's it. So we just close it like this, and this page close like this, and then whole folio will close just like a rolling book, like that, and then it stick like this, and then it shows all your pages here. So many pages, and really nice gap in between for your some bulky decoration, like 3D decoration I mean, and very decent size album folio this one is. So please check it out on my website, it's already listed. This is not listed as a separate product, it is included in one of my kits, so you will get a nice kit and some embellishments along with that kit, and you will have fun creating the album. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.